वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड माध्यमिक फिजिकल साइंस क्लास 10 चैप्टर थर्मल फेनोमेना। इस चैप्टर से सिलेक्टेड इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दिया गया है यहाँ पे, साथ ही साथ प्रीवियस ईयर माध्यमिक एग्ज़ाम में आए हुए क्वेश्चन और इम्पॉर्टेंट एडिशनल क्वेश्चन भी यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं कि क्या क्या इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है उसको देखते हैं। चैप्टर 4 थर्मल फेनोमेना। इस चैप्टर से पहला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ थर्मल एक्सपेंशन। क्वेश्चन 2, गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सॉलिड फ्रॉम एवरीडे एक्सपीरियंस। क्वेश्चन 3, गिव एन एग्जांपल टू शो डैट डिफरेंट सॉलिड एक्सपेंड बाई डिफरेंट अमाउंट फॉर सेम चेंज इन टेम्परेचर। क्वेश्चन 4 में क्वेश्चन के डिफरेंट टाइप्स दिए गए हैं। एक ही क्वेश्चन है, उसको किस तरह से क्वेश्चन दिया जा सकता है, उसके 3 टाइप को हम यहाँ पर दिया गया है, जिसका तीनों का आंसर सेम होगा। देखते हैं क्वेश्चन 4 में पहला ये बता रहा है, पहला क्वेश्चन का ये पैटर्न है, एक्सप्लेन एन एक्सपेरिमेंट टू शो डैट डिफरेंट सॉलिड एक्सपेंड बाय डिफरेंट अमाउंट फॉर सेम चेंज इन टेम्परेचर। और या क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी हो सकता है, प्रूव डैट डिफरेंट मटेरियल एक्सपेंड डिफरेंटली। या और मतलब ये हुआ, क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी दे सकता है, शो डैट द एक्सपेरिमेंट डैट डिफरेंट मटेरियल हैव डिफरेंट एबिलिटी टू कंडक्ट हीट। ये तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर सेम है। क्वेश्चन 5, फॉर ए सॉलिड हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ थर्मल एक्सपेंशन कोफिशिएंट आर देयर। ये MCQ क्वेश्चन है, 4 ऑप्शन है, A1, B2, C3, D4। Question number 6, name the 3 types of expansion in solid. Question 7, define coefficient of linear expansion of a solid. Question 8, what is the CGS unit and SI unit of coefficient of linear expansion of a solid. Question 9, on which factor coefficient of linear expansion of a solid depend. Question 10, state whether the following statement is true and false. A, coefficient of linear expansion of solid does not depend on the unit of length. B, coefficient of linear expansion of solid depend on the unit of temperature. ये 2 स्टेटमेंट में कौन ट्रू है कौन फॉल्स है इसको बताना है। क्वेश्चन 11, coefficient of linear expansion of a solid does not depend on the unit of length but it's depend on the unit of temperature. Why? क्वेश्चन 12, ये एक MCQ क्वेश्चन है, the coefficient of linear expansion of solid depend on A, unit of length, B, scale of temperature, C, density of the material, D, none of them. Question 13, a bimetallic strip bend on heating due to different metal expands differently or uneven expansion. ये सेम क्वेश्चन है और में दिया गया है। बी ऑप्शन में है, डिफरेंट मेटल एक्सपैंड्स विथ सेम रेट। C, one metal expand and other contracts. D, none. Question number 14, if the coefficient of linear expansion of brass is 18 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree centigrade, what is the value in Fahrenheit scale? Question 15, what is mean by linear expansion coefficient of copper is 17 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree centigrade. Why does the value remain the same even in Kelvin scale? Question 16, the length of a solid substance at a temperature of T1 K is L1 meter and at a temperature of 2T K is L2 meter. Write down the mathematical expression for coefficient of linear या length expansion with unit of that solid substance. और क्वेश्चन इस तरह भी पूछा जा सकता है, राइट डाउन द मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट लीनियर एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सॉलिड। क्वेश्चन 17, डिफाइन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ सरफेस या सुपरफिशियल या एरिया एक्सपेंशन। ये तीनों का मतलब एक ही होता है, सरफेस, सुपरफिशियल या एरिया। राइट इट्स SI यूनिट। क्वेश्चन 18, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ सरफेस एक्सपेंशन डिपेंड ऑन A, only the unit of area, B, only on the unit of temperature, C, on the unit of area and temperature, D, on the unit of temperature and time. Question 19, on what factor coefficient of superficial expansion depend? Question 20. The area of a solid substance at a temperature of T1K is A1 square meter, and that at a temperature T2K is A2 square meter. Write down the mathematical expression for the coefficient of area expansion with unit of that solid substance. ये 2020 में ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, और इसी में क्वेश्चन इसी तरह भी दिया जा सकता है. राइट द मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ सुपरफिशियल या एरिया एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सॉलिड. क्वेश्चन 21. डिफाइन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वॉल्यूम या क्यूबिकल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ ए सॉलिड. Question 22. Write the CGS and SI unit of the coefficient volume expansion of a solid. Question 23. The volume of a solid substance at a temperature of T1 K is V1 cubic meter, and that a temperature of T2 K is V2 cubic meter. Write down the mathematical expression for the coefficient of volume या cube expansion with unit of that solid substance. और write down the mathematical expression of coefficient of volume या cubic expansion of solid.
Question number 24. Write down the relation among the linear surface and volume expansion coefficient of a solid. Question 25. Alpha is to beta is to gamma is A, B, C, D 4 ऑप्शन है, इसमें सही ऑप्शन में टिक करना है. Question 26. What is the relation between coefficient of linear expansion and coefficient of surface expansion of solid? Question 27. Write the relation between coefficient of linear expansion and coefficient of volume expansion of solid. Question 28. Among alpha, beta and gamma, which has the highest value? Question 29. Does the unit of coefficient of linear expansion depend on the unit of length? Question 30. If the coefficient of linear expansion of brass is at 18 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree centigrade, find the value of coefficient of volume या cubical expansion. Question 31. For a liquid, how many types of expansion or coefficient of volume expansion? Question 32. Define coefficient of real and apparent expansion of a liquid. Question 33. Write the SI unit of coefficient of real expansion and apparent expansion of a liquid. Question 34. Write down the relation among the coefficient of real and apparent expansion of liquid.
Number 35. Give an example of volume expansion of a gas. Question 36. Between apparent and real expansion of coefficient of a liquid, which one is its own characteristic? Question 37. Whether the following statement is true or false. The real expansion of any liquid depends on the expansion of vessels in which it is kept. Question 38. What is the volume expansion coefficient of a gas at fixed pressure? What is its value? Question 39. Which quantities remain fixed in the definition of volume expansion coefficient of a gas? Question 40. What is thermal conductivity? What is its unit? SI unit. Question 41. State whether the following statement is true and false. The constituent particles of a material change position during conduction of heat through it. Question 42. Give an example of thermal conduction. Question 43. Which of the following has the highest thermal conductivity? A. Copper, B. Gold, C. Iron, D. Diamond. Question 44. What is meant by coefficient of thermal conductivity of a substance? Establish the relation between CGS and SI unit of it. Question 45. On which of the following does the thermal conductivity of a metal depend? A. Temperature, B. Length, C. Nature of the material, D. Area of cross section. Question 46. Mention two similarities and two dissimilarities between heat conduction and electrical conduction. Question 47. Mention a non-metal having high thermal conductivity. Question 48. Name a non-metal which is good conductor of heat. Question 49. In which process of heat transmission of particle of medium are not displaced? A. Convection, B. Radiation, C. Conduction, D. None. Question 50. Explain with example what do you mean by good conductor and bad conductor या insulator. Question 51. What is thermal resistivity? Question 52. Which liquid display anomalous expansion? Question 53. A rectangular plate has thickness D, cross section area A and thermal conductivity K. What is the value of thermal resistance? A, B, C, D, चार ऑप्शन यहाँ पे दिया गया है. Question 54. Among iron, invar and copper, which one has least coefficient of linear expansion? Question 55. Among the following, which is the correct increase order of the coefficient of linear expansion? A, aluminum, brass, copper, iron and invar. B, invar, iron, copper, brass and aluminum. C, brass, aluminum, iron, copper and invar. D, invar, aluminum, copper, brass and iron. Question 56. Arrange the increasing order of the thermal conductivity of aluminum, silver, brass and copper. Last question, question number 57. Mention the analogy by mathematical expression of thermal resistivity and electrical resistivity.